Hello guys and welcome back to your channel. I love 164. Today we are going to do the unboxing for two McLarens from Mini GT. So actually I have a lot of cars today for unboxing, but I'm going to do all these unboxing one by one. In different videos I'll shoot one for each. So I thought let's just start from these two, because I was waiting from since December to release these cars, and now finally I've got my hands on this, so I decided to do the unboxing all together. First I'm going to show you guys this McLaren 720 GT3 EVO. It's from 2024 IMSA. Here's your packing, and you know very much about the packing, right? So let's just cut this open. So this is a really cool looking model actually. Wow. I was not aware that this car is from IMSA until I read it on the box. There is some aerodynamic details. We have 3 screws on this. There is no thread on it. We have the name of the car. It's under license, of course. And this is a really cool looking casting actually, with really nice color. I really like the wheels. It does have Michelin logo on it, and on the back tire as well, the spokes looks cool. All the details on the side, the number 9 motel, driveway. We have something here on the spoiler as well. I don't know what that means. We have exhaust details here. I mean the exhaust coming out from the car, not exactly details. And I don't know, there's something written over here. It's very tiny, hard to read. These are painted tail lights, not exactly the plastic inserts. And on the front we have these air vents. I don't know what these are called. Spoilers, front spoilers or something, I don't know. But the headlight details look cool. You can see the inserts on both headlights, and the grille look cool. All the logos on the front. On the top we have motel number 9. The side mirrors are rubber, of course, and they are really nice, really detailed coming out. You can see on the top how cool this car looks, the profile, and on the windshield we have McLaren logo. This is a really nice car, and yes, it does roll well because it's a Mini GT. It does roll good. It's a really nice car actually. So let's put this on the side and let's put that blister. Oh, sorry about that. Now let's move to the next one. This is the one of the most desired car. I remember I was not able to PO this McLaren, but I did the PO for this, and thank God I did it, because even to find this, it was very tough without PO. This would have been like impossible if it was not on PO. I just noticed that we have all these licenses here from McLaren as well. We have seen it previously in some other cars also, but I was not aware that McLaren also have this official product license of the McLaren, like on the Mini GT boxes. I don't care much about the boxes actually, except I would like to keep them intact. Let's see the details much. Oh my god, this is heavy. This is a bit heavy than this one, I think. If anybody of you have weighted it, just let me know what are the actual weights. So these are the base details. This is quite nice. Also 720S, but the base details are totally different because this is from the racing version and this is from, I think, the Liberty Walk, not a racing version officially. We have some air vents here, aerodynamic details, and the wheels have threads in this one. On the side, wow, it says TVC, the boring concept, but this car is not boring. It is a very interesting car. I really like the wheels, even though we know on the real car the wheels are different. And this is actually the beauty of collecting diecast. You don't actually need the exact replica of the original car. It is fine to have wheels like this. And I still remember collecting cars when Mini GT started here in my country. They started coming. I enjoyed collecting them the way they were. They were having good stuff, like the variations are good, the wheel designs are really nice. I never cared about if the wheels are as per the car, actual real car. I never cared about that. I always liked that they created something unique, something different for each car. Other than Hot Wheels, like we know Hot Wheels had a few designs only previously, and they were just putting those wheels in every car. But Mini GT was an exception in that case. They had different wheels for every casting and it was cool. And really, there are many people complaining about these cars, but I think these wheels actually about this particular car, that they are not white and they are not the same the way it was in Liberty Walk car. But I don't think that there is any issue with these wheels. I really like these wheels. This is like a different variation, different version totally than the other car. It's a 164 replica, it's a die cast. Even we are getting something like this, it's mesmerizing. I don't know why people have so much to complain about. Just be thankful. I'm thankful that this something like this exists in my hands. This is so beautiful, so nice. Look at those wheels. Looks really cool, I think. You can see the smiley here, the eyes and the face, the smile. And I don't know what that R means on this car. There are other tiny details, probably this is Liberty Walk or something. I'm not sure what other details are. I'm not able to see. They are very tiny. I really like the color. It's not white exactly, it's off-white, something near the cream color. And the details on the back are really cool. On the aerodynamics we have this same color like the car. The car is melting here. You can see the Liberty Walk logo on the number plate, the McLaren logo. The tail lights are, looks like insert, but they are not. And it says something on the spoiler as well. ZTEC, something, I don't know. And here's your front, the cool front with the Liberty Walk logo on the front and TVC here, McLaren logo on the front, the boring concept logo on the front. This is so damn cool. It again says ZTEC on the front of the windshield. Look at this, McLaren on the spoiler, and this cool detail, cool looking car, man. This is so damn well designed. I really appreciate Mini GT for making these cars, man. And this side fenders are so good. I'm not sure if you would be able to see, but these are not actually straight. These are curved on the back. I hope you can see that, right? See, these are curved on the back. Wow, what a tiny detail, and still Mini GT managed to keep it. The car rolls perfect. So this is like fourth Mini GT 720S I've added in my collection. Third and fourth. This was the second. The first one was in the black from Liberty Walk. They're really cool looking cars. Thank you so much for watching. Do let me know what you guys think and which of these you have got so far. And see you in the next one. Bye bye. Don't forget to share.